Mr. Trudeau, you know, according to the Canadian laws, okay, you have not acted accordingly with the laws because you have decided to bypass those laws, okay? I'm talking about the Ministry of Justice Canada, you know. Last year or 2 years ago, I spoke with a Mr. over there at the Ministry of Justice, and he told me that he couldn't bypass the statute of limitation for me. But he's consider this, you know, you have bypassed many statute of limitation to, you know, to solve your own problem. But I am one of your problem, and you're not, you know, you cannot go ahead and try to solve it because you're always the same. You always do the same fucking shit, you know. Mr. Harjit Sajjan, you know, I have a lot against you right now, okay? Mr. Justin Trudeau, I have a lot against you, you know, and everything I do, the public know what I'm doing right now because everything need to be understand, and everything need to be seen, and everything need to be saw by the Canadian population. And you have tried to shit on me, but you were not able to shit on me. But you're shitting on me right now because you're using your own power to shit on me right now, and which I don't consider that at all, you know. Mr. Harjit Sajjan, you are the Minister of National Defense because Mr. Trudeau decided to put you there. If it would have been me, you would not be there, you know, because you don't deserve that title, okay? To be a minister, you have to be honest, okay? You have to have a pride on you, because the same pride you don't have that because you are wearing a fucking shit turban on your head, and you know, and you just thinking that you belong to India, you know. India is a country of shit right now. I'm watching wrestling at the TV right now. Now they're having a fucking wrestler from India, and he's wearing a turban, and then he removed his turban to do the wrestling, you know, and he has long hair too. So I believe you are the same thing. You are the same crack. You are the same Shrek and shit than India. You have long hair, and while you were while you were military, I'm sure that you had long hair under your turban because no one would have even checked it. If it would have been me as a CSM, I would have had checked it. And you can be sure that you would not wear your fucking turban on your head, because when you are in military, you are in uniform, and the uniform is all the same for everyone. You wear beret, or you wear nothing else, or you don't wear uniform. And I am, you know, I am kind of honest right now because I don't understand why, you know, Mr. Justin Trudeau, you have 4 fucking turban in your ministry, in your government, you know. Why are we being run by fucking four turban, you know? We don't need those kind of people. We have enough Canadian here that could have been better minister than those fucking guys, you know. They're only there to show India, then they can do something else outside their country. You, Mr. Trudeau, you're an Islamist yourself. That's why you're accepting terrorism here in Canada, and that's why you are acting like this. I'm just hoping that the new government that you have in Canada will lower the quantity of immigrants that we're getting here in Quebec, because we're getting too many, okay? Mr. Trudeau, you owe Quebec $143 million for the Muslim that we already got here, you know? And we spend our money here, our income tax in Quebec here, to get those Muslims here in Quebec, but we don't get fuck all from the federal, you know. Federal, you're not fair. I did ask your Ministry of Finance 2 years ago or last year, when we first started income tax here in Quebec, you didn't have any in Canada. You had decided to borrow our income tax from Quebec, saying that you will reimburse them later. You've never reimbursed them. Never. And when I wrote the Minister of Finance, she never replied to me. She knew I was right. She never replied to me. Anyways, You know, this is only to show you how the federal government is crooked, you know, and it's crooked all the way up to corruption and collusion, you know. People keep voting for you because their parents were voting liberal, and they have red blood, so they're voting for red, they're voting for liberals. Me, my blood is red, but I'm not voting for liberals, you know. I'm a right person, you know. I know that you are not doing good things, especially for the pipeline out west there. It was only a piece of rust, and then you decided to buy $4 billion, maybe more than that, and you know, it's all going to be coming from our income tax, and all Canadians are going to pay for that crap that you have decided to buy, Mr. Trudeau. The reason why possibly you have decided to buy it, it's because you wanted to solve problem, and you did not solve problem because this piece of crap, it won't be usable, you know, because it will waste oil all over Canada, and all over Canada will be fucking polluted, you know. So anyways, I believe I'm gonna let you go on this one too, and I will make another one shortly. Thank you.